Hi students, how are you? This lesson is for the beginners of English language and entry one if they want to have a look. It's about my best friend. So let's read about my best friend together. So follow me on each slide. Please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. That would really help me to do more lessons for you. Okay, my best friend. Let's read together about my best friend now. Follow me on the next slide. Let's read together. I have one best friend. Her name is Noor. She is from Pakistan. She now lives in the UK. She is married and she lives with her family. She has 3 children. She is a teacher. She is a nice person and I love my friend. Let's read it one more time and you can read with me. I have one best friend. Her name is Noor. She is from Pakistan. She now lives in the UK. She is married and she lives with her family. She has 3 children. She is a teacher. She is a nice person and I love my friend. Okay, I hope you enjoyed reading about my friend. Let's have a look at the next slide and answer some questions. Okay, I have some questions for you in these boxes, and on the right side I have the answers, but there are words missing, so you can read the text again and write the missing words. So let's have a look at the questions. What is my best friend's name? So look at the answer side. Her name is. So now you have to write the name. Where is she from? She is from, and write the country name. Where does she live now? So she now lives in the, write the missing country name. Is she married? Yes, she is. Write the missing word. How many children does she have? She has. Write the missing number. What is her job? She is a. Write the job name. What is she like? She is a. Write the missing word, person. Okay, so read the text yourselves again to answer these questions. You can practice with your friends, with your colleagues in the class to learn more and to improve your English. Let's have a look at the final slide that I have for you. Now, write about your best friend. So maybe you can write 3 or 4 sentences about your friend now. Okay, thank you for practicing with me and listening. Please like the video and I will speak to you in another video with a different lesson. Thank you so much. Bye bye now.